Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate American Express gift card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to activate an American Express gift card, the first step that you can do is check your card package. To get the card packaging out later, there should be a website URL or a phone number for your activation. Simply keep your card and receipt handy. The next step is to activate it online by opening up your browser, and then on the search bar type in American Express gift card activation, then tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Then once you're inside, select the activation page and then enter the following information like card number on the front of the card, then a 3-digital card ID or CID back of the card, your personal information if required, and follow the prompts and confirm activation. Once completed, your gift card is ready to use. You can also activate by phone by calling the activation number listed on the card package or back of the card, then follow the automated instructions and provide a card number and CID when prompted. Your card will be activated immediately after the call. You can also check your balance by simply heading over and tapping on the 3 horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen. Then simply select check balance, and here what you need to do is enter your card number and CID to see the balance. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.